We have a similar system to King County. We're a little south of King County, a sister county if you would. And we modified our resuscitation process to emphasize high performance CPR and also to emphasize a teamwork approach to cardiac arrest. So not unlike a house fire where the responders have assigned roles, we also do that in our resuscitations. So we have the timekeeper, we have someone doing ventilations, and it seems to have organized the scenes very well. They're not quite so hectic. We have also been fortunate to have our medical program director attend one of the resuscitation academies, and with that we've also increased our quality improvement for all resuscitation events. The providers get feedback from him directly, which is something that's new to our system, and we've basically had a county-wide system for 25 years, and this is the first time that the providers have actually experienced direct feedback from the medical program director. So that helps with our success. They not only are there to work together as a team, but they also know the results and know the outcomes of every single patient. With that, our success, we have outcomes of 47% for the witness cardiac arrest and a shockable rhythm.